Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're counting down the top 10 drones on Amazon that'll take your aerial photography to new heights. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, we've got something for everyone. Stick around to see which drones made the list and why they're flying off the shelves. Subscribe for more interesting gadgets. Let's get started. At number 1 we have Cheerwing Syma Drone. Compared with old version, this new X5 SW-V3 2021 VER is upgraded with 720p HD Wi-Fi camera to take better aerial photos and videos. With real-time FPV transmission, you can enjoy the first-person view fun through the smartphone app. Upgraded with one-key takeoff/landing and altitude hold function, make the camera drone more easier access to kids, beginners, newbies without any skill. Just tap the one-key start button to start to fly the drone. It will auto-hover at a certain height, easier to control and more stable for aerial photography. Ideal toys drone for kids and adults. Through the app, you can control the drone without remote controller. And the built-in gravity sensor also allows you to fly your drone without touching your mobile screen. At number 2 we have DJI Neo Mini Drone. Lightweight and regulation-friendly. At just 135 g, DJI Neo may be even lighter than your phone and does not require FAA registration and remote ID. Throw Neo in your backpack or even your pocket. Just grab and go. Palm takeoff and landing. Go controller-free. Neo takes off from your hand with just a push of a button. Neo's safe and easy operation makes it perfect for taking to family BBQs and hiking with friends. Multiple control options, flexible fun. Fly Neo controller-free or with voice control, EN/CN, mobile app, or RC. Capture an epic birthday or film a family picnic. These versatile options make it easy for everyone to try. Whether you're hiking, kayaking, or just strolling in a windy park, DJI stabilization technology, level 4 wind resistance, and 4K UHD combine to ensure smooth, high-quality footage. Full coverage propeller guards nervous flyers. Let go of your worries. Dip and dive dynamically around your house and through tree branches without worry. At number 3 we have Potensic Atom SE GPS Drone. Atom SE drone weighs and the fold-up design packs up small enough to fit in a jacket pocket. Built-in makes the drone and fly stably. UrgeFly flight control system provides and 3 flight modes, allowing you to challenge your skills as you become an advanced pilot with flexible and easy flight control experience. In sport mode, the Atom SE 4K drone comes with 2 intelligent 2,500 mAh batteries, each battery running up to 31 minutes, for a total of fly more, charging less. Give you more freedom to record the creative moments around you. The Atom SE GPS drone will to the takeoff point when it's lost signal or is in low power. Easy to control for all levels. You can have even more fun with features like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Flight of the drone. Dive into more flying possibilities. At number 4 we have Super Enduring Brushless Motor Drone. Strong brushless motors and upgraded batteries. Enduring alloy brushless motors feature strong wind resistance, providing faster, quieter, and more powerful flight. Equipped with 2 upgraded batteries, it can provide up to 36 minutes flight time. The upgraded composite material increases the strength of the drone and makes it more resistant to falling or collision. A 68 is extremely user-friendly that comes with one-key start/landing, optical flow positioning, altitude hold, 3D flips, headless mode, speed adjustment, gesture selfie, and trajectory flight functions. Adapts to all experience levels even for kids and beginners. Equipped with a 2K HD camera that can be adjusted within 90 degrees by your remote control or the app. Dual cameras can give you an exciting experience of aerial scenery and assist you to catch every wonderful moment from a bird's-eye perspective. At number 5 we have MOCVOO Drones. Drone comes with one-key start/landing, altitude hold, headless mode, speed adjustment functions. Adapts to all experience levels even for kids and beginners. Through the app, gestures control, trajectory flight, and gravity sensor control can be activated and allows you to capture selfie easily by gesture control. The F-62 drone is equipped with a high-definition camera with adjustable angle. With the 120 degrees wide-angle setting, capture HD footage and directly saved. Share the amazing view to social media with just one click. With a 120 degrees wide-angle 1080p HD camera, Wi-Fi real-time transmission FPV system can connect to your phone with the drone, and the view will be shown directly on your phone. 3 batteries can support a 30 minutes flight, which makes it easy to replace battery and safe to charge battery. If you have any problems, please message us at any time. We can reply quickly. At number 6, we have Tizzytoy Drones. Equipped with a 4K 120 degrees manually adjustable lens and a 110 degrees wide-angle lens, the drone provides a broader shooting range and a breathtaking field of view. It allows you to capture every wonderful moment from a bird's-eye perspective and enables you to enjoy 4K pictures and videos through the app. By connecting your phone or iPad to the long-distance camera drone, you can enjoy a real-time panoramic view and easily share them on your social media platforms. By using brushless motors, the fan blades can achieve higher speeds. The built-in altitude hold system allows the drone to stay stable at the desired height. With ground detection through optical flow, it gains strong wind resistance capabilities. The package includes a carrying case, making it convenient for outdoor travel. This drone stands out in its class. It is equipped with a controller, propeller guard, and spare fan blades, making it an excellent choice for gifts. At number 7, we have drone X Pro LIMITLESS. Our drone with camera 4K features 360 degrees obstacle avoidance technology. A built-in laser scans the flight path, effortlessly avoiding obstacles with an incredible 3-mile flight range, allowing you to explore farther than ever before with our GPS drone. Our 4K drone effortlessly tracks and records your flight with real-time on-screen data. The long-range drone's return to home RTH feature ensures a safe return to the takeoff point with a single button press, even in low battery or signal loss situations. Drone Clone Expert's Limitless 4S drone boasts a 5,000 mAh battery, granting 30 minutes of flight per charge. With a 3-axis gimbal and 4K UHD resolution, get super smooth, pro-quality footage. Enhanced EIS delivers added stability, and dual cameras provide versatile shooting angles. Our drones with camera and video features allow you to instantly view and share your content on your smartphone via wireless transfer. At number 8, we have Dazlen Drones. 1080p adjustable FPV drone. Equipped with 1080p HD camera and 90 degrees remote controller adjustable lens, this drone can bring you a stunning aerial photography experience from different perspectives to broaden your views. By connecting the drone with Dazlen FPV app, it allows you to view the fabulous scenery in live through the FPV Technolog. Multiple functions for freely fly. This drone with camera features 1-button takeoff/landing, optical flow positioning, headless mode, 3 speeds, gravity control, low battery warning, and emergency stop. Additionally, with the intelligent features like lightning-fast 360 degrees flips, gesture control photograph/video, trajectory flight, and music, it can add an extra dimension of excitement and entertainment to your flying adventure experience, no matter you are a beginner or skilled player. Beginner-friendly with flexible control. The camera drone provides effortless handling and flexible control for kids and beginners, allowing users of all skilled levels to master the flying skills easily and fly with confidence. At number 9, we have Karuisrc Drone. The Karuisrc team will accompany you from the moment you place your order. The Karuisrc brand has always been committed to creating the most suitable GPS drones and timely companionship for customers. If you have any questions about drones with camera for adults 4K, please find Karuisrc and we will do our best to assist you. Karuisrc K610 GPS drone for adults 4K is equipped with a powerful 5 GHz Wi-Fi transmission chip, achieving the goal of longer, faster, and more stable transmission. The Wi-Fi transmission distance of drone with camera for adults 4K can reach up to 1,600 feet, and the transmission speed can reach up to 1,000 megabits per second. K610 GPS brushless 4K drone is equipped with a self-developed 1503 micro motor, with a maximum rated speed of up to 20,000 RPM. The brushless drone can more accurately control the speed and force, significantly reduce workload, and brushless motor drone thus have a longer life. At number 10, we have dual camera drone from Techwonderz. The mini drone with camera, which is 1080p HD dual cameras, and the front camera can be rotated 90 degrees. Take pictures and videos whenever you want and share them on social media as soon as possible. remote control FPV transmission, 50x zoom, gesture photo and video, one-click sharing to social networks. There are numerous features to provide a fun photography experience. For beginners and photographers, the optical flow positioning function assists the drone in achieving excellent performance in precise positioning and photo taking. When used in conjunction with the base feature altitude hold mode, you can lock the altitude and position more precisely, like a hummingbird, and shoot HD photos and video steadily. Make it the best drone with camera for adults.